Right, in this video, the only thing I'm going to do is define what a logarithm is, because this is really important. And then the next video, we're going to use this definition. But understanding the definition, it's really pretty simple. People want to make logarithms complicated, and they're not. So the definition is y equals the log base a of x. That's how we read this. If and only if x equals a raised to the power of y. So let me first explain what does if and only if mean. If and only if basically is saying this and this are the same, saying the same thing. Let me explain. So if and only if is like the temperature is 32 degrees Fahrenheit, if and only if the temperature is 0 degrees Celsius. That's because they're the same temperature. Yeah? They're set a little different, but they're really the same thing. It's the same thing here. This and this are really the same thing. Now, second thing, what is the graph of a log? Y equals log x. It looks like this. So this number right here is 1. This is actually grows very slow. So this is the graph of y equals the log base a of x. We'll talk more about this a in a little bit, but this is the basic, this is the shape. So in other words, logarithms are negative. Our graph is below the x-axis. Those are negative y values. So logarithms of fractions, when x is a fraction, the answer is going to be negative. When x is bigger than 1, it's going to be positive. So the idea here, logarithms, we talked about exponential functions. They grow really fast. Logarithms are the opposite. They grow, but they grow very, very, very slowly. But that's the fundamentals of logarithms, which are really important to move on with the following problems.